you're right. I was full. It's been 2 years since I'd even find Rainbow Dash and Creepy Bloom. I've been stuck here for the last days. The red sky came. I think everyone is gone. All those my friends turned into weird monster things. But I don't know what happened. It came by today. I just wanted to get out of prison and I just wanted to see her again. But I don't want to talk about it. Maybe we should also take some rest. That will cheer me up. Good night.